शीन के ऊपर आजकल हमारा हल्ला बोला हुआ। हाँ, दिस इज अ लॉट ऑफ कपड़े एंड शॉपिंग लॉट। जॉर्जी अरमानी। इट इज सो क्यूट। तुम इसमें ये सारे कलर ऑर्डर कर लो, अच्छा लग रहा है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। उम्मीद है आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे। चलें, आज का ब्लॉग क्या है। आज का ब्लॉग है शॉपिंग ऑनलाइन जो लाइबा ने की और आजकल उसे क्रेज चढ़ा हुआ है शॉपिंग करने का। परफ्यूम का ब्लॉग तो खैर अलग से आएगा, लेकिन आजकल जो नए बैग्स चले हुए हैं जो कि किसी ज़माने में होते थे 20 साल बाद, आपको पता है वो अभी मैंने रिसाइकिल की थी कुछ चीज़ें मैं पाकिस्तान पर्स ले गई थी। वो जूसी कटोच क्या है जो भी है, आप समझ गए होंगे जो मैं कह रही हूँ। वो उनका फैशन दोबारा आया, वो लाइबा ने ऑर्डर किया। आप जाके देखें कि आपको कौन सा कलर पसंद आया, पिंक या ग्रीन। और ऑनेस्टली मुझे तो ये दोनों ही बहुत पसंद आए। और कपड़े देखें कौन से पसंद आए, कमेंट करें। तो चलें व्लॉग स्टार्ट करते हैं ना। और स्किन केयर आ रही है सून। शीन के ऊपर आजकल हमारा हल्ला बोला हुआ, वो अमीर होने वाले शीन। लो, दिस इज क्यूट फॉर यू और फॉर जायरा।
No, for me.
I'm thinking
if you put your hair half up.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It
It looks
this
weird.
on top.
Two babies we have, Laiba and Zaid. The pink, Laiba is going off pink. पहले ही पिंक के पीछे थी, इसका घर भी पूरा पिंक हो रहा।
I know.
And now.
Listen. First I was too much of a boy, now I'm too much of a girl. Look how cute
No,
it is.
you look
Imagine
cute. Yeah.
with straight
Oh my
hair.
God, वाकई अच्छा दिख रहा है एक्चुअली अच्छा। मेरे लिए भी वो ऑर्डर करो लंबे कर्ल्स के लिए जो करते हैं।
Yeah, I'm gonna get you.
Oh, this pink
a
is
good
nice.
one. Yeah, look at this. This I didn't know who was gonna wear it, but I got it.
You gonna wear? Who else gonna wear?
It's a cute
So
cardigan,
pretty.
right?
Oh wow.
It's
It's
so
gonna
cute.
look nice with your black pant नहीं है? वो फटी हुई पैंट जो है
Yeah,
गरीबों वाली।
the big one.
Yeah.
It's cute, right?
Yeah, it's very cute.
I don't even remember what I got.
I want you to see it every day wearing too.
Bro,
Yeah.
we're like in the middle like of a move right now. It's so. Oh, I got this for you.
For me?
Because because I have the same one. You're always
What is
leaving your
this?
jewelry everywhere.
Yeah, I
Just
lost
put
so
all of
much
it
my
in here.
gold.
All
Yeah.
your when you take your
Small
rings
ones?
and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Necklaces go in here, rings when you just leave it on the counter.
Yeah, I lose so much gold. then.
Put them in there, and then you just take this when you know you have to get ready. This I got for my car.
Oh, लाइबा की कार ऑर्गेनाइज्ड हो गई है।
Yeah, it
But-
goes on the back of the seat.
Oh, that's
I
nice.
can put my documents and stuff in here probably.
Oh, that's
And,
nice.
Or maybe I'll put. I was thinking put garbage in this.
मैं वही सोचे गार्बेज में इसमें क्या है, एक कप भी नहीं आएगा।
Yeah, but at least it'll be organized, like paperwork. Like I still don't know. Oh no, Dad's gonna yell at me. I still don't know where my paperwork is.
Don't even say it. Papa. It's a lot of shopping, लाइबा। I think so 2 दिन पहले जो आया था तुमने
I ordered
सना
them
के
together.
लिए और सबके लिए।
I ordered it together. These came separately.
Oh,
Look at these.
this is
Same
cute.
thing.
Whatever is this?
More bows. They're like
Laiba is going off with all the
they're
bows
like
and
clips. It's cute, no?
very pretty.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Clips
Very
are cute. Like
yeah,
they
are
add to your hair.
and they're cheap on the
Yeah.
Shein. Very cheap.
These ones I got like you know when you're getting ready and you need
Yeah,
to
you need those
put
things.
hair. There's so many of them.
That's nice.
So many.
That's very cute.
Because when we move,
And मुझे पता है कि आप लोगों को पसंद आते हैं जब ये लाइबा क्लिप्स वगैरह लगाती है ना बालों पे, लोगों को पसंद आते हैं जब तुम गेट रेडी वगैरह होती है। Lipstick?
when we make the what's it called? The big closet in the house.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put like all clips and
Yeah.
stuff in one section. This is a lip tint. I don't know. I don't remember why I got what. Like this
Honestly,
one
we
probably
have
was.
so much lipsticks comes in and goes.
Yeah, it's just a lip tint. It's fine.
Very pretty.
And then I got a blush, I think.
I like that blush जो उसका है ना benefit का, वो नहीं tint वाला।
Yeah, because you can't really overdo
Yeah.
it. But do you like pink blush or no?
No, वो red है actually है ना? Actually red.
That one's actually my favorite because if you use it on your lips
Yeah,
too.
it's good.
Remember box?
I like it little bit, yeah, on my things.
If it's
Yeah,
with
because she
I'll
knows you upstairs, हाँ, तो मैंने कहा पूछ जिम चली गई। Oh my God, Papa. And then she goes कमरे में lie down and then cry, then came down.
You guys should have told me. I would have came earlier.
It's fine.
For Zaira, I'll come. For you guys, probably.
Don't even say for mom not to gonna come.
What do
You
you
get
mean? I see you
punished
every
right
day.
away. Yeah.
I see her every day too, but
I know.
she's like a new person every day.
I know, she's
Something
so
new she
cute.
learns.
She's not feeling well. Oh, this is cute.
Right?
Whatever is this?
It's blush.
Oh my god, this is
It's nice,
very
right?
nice. Yeah.
It'll be so nice
This
when
is
we can
very
all
nice.
just like
I don't do
have a
makeup.
place for everything. Oh, these earrings you would like.
Yeah.
Not this
Yeah, earrings I wear nowadays.
They're
Everything.
also bows.
All the
Are they
bows
cute
Laiba
though?
got it very cute.
It's so cute.
Yeah, actually put it on now. It looks cute.
You put it on. I don't really like big earrings anymore. We're gonna order a bunch of those hoops.
Yeah.
Oh, this you'll like too.
This is what is this now?
Oh,
It's 2-piece? What is this?
what is this?
It's a
Oh,
sweater.
yeah. It's like a with comes with a
Cardigan
tank
or
top.
something. It's
Tank
very
underneath.
pretty colors.
Right?
Pretty colors.
I just don't know the size. And this technically is
Yeah.
It comes as a set.
That's fine. And last piece probably
Probably a dress. Oh yeah. This
sweater.
Is like a,
Already you ordering sweaters?
Yeah. So
Oh, this is
the
so cute,
top,
Laiba.
and then
I
it's
like
a
these
skirt.
ones nowadays.
No, I think it's a skirt. This is a skirt.
It's fine.
Because I was thinking if I don't like it, Sana can wear it. She's pregnant. But
Yeah.
Look how cute.
No, it's gonna look nice on you or Sana, whoever. Nowadays it's very
Depending,
pretty.
I don't know how. Like I'm trying to change the way I dress.
Yeah.
So let's see.
Sure.
Which one? Oh no, I think the blush got on it.
Oh god, already close?
Yeah, once
Oh,
again, I don't
God.
know what I ordered.
So
Okay,
ये
no.
pretty little things हैं.
Oh yeah. So I now have this in like 4 different colors.
What is this
This is
now?
the same set, the Barbie set I wore. Then I have it in green. Then I got it in this color too.
Okay, आपको पता है लाइबा ने पहनना है एक दफा वो फिर बाद में मैंने ही पहनना है। लाइबा तो पहनती
So
नहीं।
now we have green.
This is very pretty actually
We
लाइबा।
have green.
Oh,
You know
wow.
which one I'm talking about. The
Yeah,
same
yeah,
one
yeah,
I
green
wore
one,
in,
yeah. The pink जो बारबी का पहना हुआ है, green वाला
there's
पहना
a
हुआ
green one.
Yeah.
I think I even got one more, a brown one.
Oh.
Yeah, like clearly
मेरा ख्याल है मुझे दुबई जाते हुए सारे यही ले जाऊंगी।
knit. When are you going to Dubai?
Soon.
This knit.
Oh, this is nice, very
This
nice.
All I'm preparing for.
Yeah, आप लोगों का कंप्लेन ये है कि आंटी आप लोग शॉपिंग बहुत करते हैं पर पहनते नहीं हैं।
Oh, right.
सना उसी वक्त पहन लेती हैं, मैं और लाइबा सोचते रहते हैं अच्छा पहनेंगे,
Yeah.
अच्छा पहनेंगे।
That's true. More clips.
More clips.
These ones I got from Zara technically.
हाँ।
But...
यार ज़ायरा के तो हमेशा ही पैकेज में कुछ ना कुछ ज़ायरा के लिए निकलता
Oh,
है। लाइबा सेम चीज?
yeah. In gray. I got enough, so now I have 5 of them. But bro, it looks so nice. And like, why not? There's so many different colors, one for every occasion. You don't think so?
No, it's good. I wear every day nowadays. कपड़े you should
And
wear
these
too.
look good. Like,
Why you have to wait for events to wear it, Laiba?
Because I go to the gym. I'm not gonna wear these to the gym.
No, जिम में से आके अब जैसे जिम से आई हो अब उतर चेंज कर लो।
For what though? To be uncomfortable the whole day, and then I got tank top.
Yeah, tank tops are good. Always good tank top. This is a lot of कपड़े and shopping Laiba. Yeah, too much stress cheat. और भी अभी कुछ आ रहा है?
No.
वो परफ्यूम भी दिखाओ नया वाला। तेल लगाया हुआ है, तेली बने हैं तेली। तेल लगा के पूरा मैं वॉक करके आई हूँ 10,000 स्टेप अपने पूरे। और आजकल लाइबा को आपको पता है परफ्यूम्स का इशू चला हुआ। मैं घर में आई कह रही मम्मा मैं वॉक कर रही हूँ, आप देखें स्मेल आ रही कि नहीं है, खुशबू आई कि नहीं। मैंने कहा नहीं आई, अचार की खुशबू आ रही क्योंकि सना ने अचार खाया था सुबह सुबह। ये देखें जॉर्जिया अरमानी।
Yeah, I got
What
this
is
for
this?
Zyra.
This is for Zyra?
So
क्या
it's a
है?
shower gel from Lush, but it's a look, it jiggles. It's jello.
Oh, she will love it.
So she's
she
scared of
loves.
showering.
Yeah.
So now maybe she'll do her own shampoo if you give her.
तो ये
this.
शैम्पू भी है?
You can use it for it's natural stuff. It doesn't really make a difference.
Okay,
but
so
mainly shower gel.
आजकल
But they
पता
have
नहीं
a-
क्या हुआ है वो डरती है शावर लेने से।
Yeah.
I don't know what went
So I'll
wrong
give
somewhere.
that to her, and then I'll just give her this. It came with a free
Yeah.
gift anyway. I'll
Okay.
give it to her. She'll like it.
She'll love it.
And perfume. This is the perfume. The Giorgio Armani. I don't even know. Oh, Jasmine Cusmano. It smells really good. It smells like jasmine.
Yeah, I tried already. It's so nice. Very nice. चलो अल्लाह किस्मत में करे।
I ordered something so. Be careful.
Okay. Yeah.
It's dangerous. Yeah.
Too good.
Okay. Okay. Rip it. Rip करो. Oh. ये भी करो. Yeah.
So ये बैग्स हैं लाइबा ने ऑर्डर किए हैं। eBay से कहाँ से ऑर्डर किए हैं?
Etsy.
Etsy से। और ये किसी ज़माने में बहुत इनका फैशन आया था फिर चला गया, हमने दे दिला दिए। कुछ मेरे पास पाकिस्तान में भी पड़े हैं, मैं लेके आऊँगी इसे। तो अब ये देखें लाइबा ने क्या ऑर्डर किया। सो प्रिटी, पप्पू ने सारी पोनियाँ लगा दी। आई नो इट्स सो हार्ड, वाई ज़ाहिरा आपको करना है, आस्ते आस्ते करो भाई, आस्ते आस्ते। ज़रा ये क्या होती है, कैंची क्या होती है, सीजर, फाड़ो 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 फाड़ो। ओह माय गॉड,
Look at this pen. I don't even know what we
oh
just got
it's
this.
so cute,
Cute pen.
cute pen for
You like
Zaira.
it? Okay.
Wow.
And then okay, ready? Here, you wanna open it for me? Okay, open it. Take it out. Oh my, it is so cute. she likes the pen.
आई थिंक सो एग्जैक्टली इसी तरह का मेरे पास ब्लैक में है लाइबा, तुम्हारा ही था वो, पाकिस्तान में पड़ा।
So she takes them and she fixes it. Isn't
Oh,
it
yeah?
so cute?
Oh my god, so
Take it out, take
pretty.
everything out.
Zara, so pretty. Oh my god, Zara looks so pretty, Zara. Oh
I
my
love it.
god.
It's so cute. I got one more.
एक और आया,
I got
एक
one
और,
more.
yeah.
I got different color.
This is for Popo, Zara, not
These
for
are
you,
so hard
Bub.
to find now.
Yeah.
They're all old, especially this
ये
one.
क्या प्राइस है इसकी?
I can't say.
Oh my god, just say it, Laiba.
No, but it's so cute.
अच्छा पहले इतने महंगे नहीं होते थे ये, पहले इतने सस्ते थे ये मेरे पास,
Open this one, my baby.
200 इतने के कुछ होंगे, अब तो बहुत महंगे हैं, तभी ये प्राइस नहीं बता रही। सो हार्ड, क्या है ज़ारा? ओह माय गॉड, अब क्या निकला ज़ारा?
Yay! Okay,
पूरा
now we
घर
open this
शॉपिंग से।
box. Should I cut it? Okay. Puppu, cut it. 1 minute, हटो।
ये पोनियाँ तो बहुत प्यारी लग रही हैं जो पप्पू ने मंगाई हैं, है ना? सो प्रिंसेस।
Take it out. Pull the bag out, baby. Pull this out. Pull it. Pull it.
ओह गॉड ज़ारा,
Open it. Open it. Open it. Kolo, kolo, kolo. Come on, you can do it. Rip it, rip it. Ready? Take it. Take the bag. उठा।
ओह वाओ,
my.
सो
So
नाइस
cute.
कलर,
Take
कितना
everything out.
खूबसूरत कलर है। को ये कचरा करना है, कचरा करवाओ ज़ारा।
Oh my.
ओके ज़ारा,
Stop it.
अब दोनों होल्ड करो, कौन सा अच्छा है?
So cute.
It is so cute,
So it's the
so
same
pretty.
one, but God, so cute. Look. Show. Look at the camera. Oh my God, we're matching.
Oh my god, so pretty, baby. Say thank you, Puppa.
Oh, it's a little bit for you. but-
कितना अच्छा लग रहा है ये इसका बो और एवरीथिंग,
know,
लाइक
she's
शी
like
डिड गुड
me
नाइट जॉब। वापस आ जाओ।
Are you gonna take them to school? Okay, you can take them. You want both? Oh,
So
wow.
cute.
Which one you like more? Green.
Green,
Pink. Green or pink? Pink.
pink.
Me too.
So cute, Zala.
Girl blush. Oh,
Looks so
I
nice.
can clean it. It's tied it.
Looks so good.
It's so cute.
Yeah, very cute.
Zaid.
एक्चुअली तुम इसमें ये सारे कलर ऑर्डर कर लो,
Right?
अच्छा लग रहा है,
So cute.
बहुत अच्छा लग
They're
रहा
large,
है,
I think, or medium.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और ये है मेरा डिनर आफ्टर सारे इतने सारे कपड़े देखने के बाद मैंने कहा फटाफट घर का बना हुआ कुछ खा लो, इससे पहले के बाहर से कुछ आए और मैं अल्लम गल्लम खाऊं। एक्चुअली आप सब ने ही नोट किया है तो मेरी स्किन बहुत अच्छी हो रही है, क्योंकि मैंने स्किन केयर यूज़ करनी शुरू की आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम अगेन, और उसका मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी इंशाल्लाह कि मैं क्या यूज़ कर रही हूँ। और प्लस मैंने अपना डाइट कुछ कंट्रोल की हुई थी, कुछ एक्सरसाइज, कुछ मैं वॉक कर रही हूँ 10,000 स्टेप रोज के, तो मेरी स्किन भी अच्छी हो रही है उससे। और प्लस मैंने तकरीबन 12 पाउंड मैंने लूज़ किया है, और उसके लिए आप ये देख लें थोड़ी सी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है कि थोड़ा सा प्रोटीन और जो है सैलड वगैरह ज़्यादा खाने पड़ते हैं। तो बस यही है, और उम्मीद है कि आपको कपड़ों का हॉल पसंद आया होगा, तो कमेंट ज़रूर करें कि आपको कौन सा वाला उसमें पसंद आया। अगर आपने इस तरह के व्लॉग्स देखते रहने हैं या मैं किस तरह के और व्लॉग दिखाऊं, मेरे ख्याल आपको पसंद आएगा व्लॉग के। और कौन से कपड़े आपको सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आए? मुझे तो वो लाइबा का जो 2 पीस वाला सूट था ना, ब्लैक और बेज वाला, वो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया, क्योंकि 2 पीस वाले हमने पहले भी बहुत ऑर्डर कर लिए तो वो कुछ यूनिक नहीं था, लेकिन वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। आप कमेंट ज़रूर करें जाके। अल्लाह हाफिज़।